it's your girl Annitra here with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connects, and I'm coming to you today with another video. If you are returning to my channel to watch another one of my videos, hey girl, hey. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, welcome. Just make yourself at home. Just click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion. This one, y'all, is just too good, just too good. Like, I usually try to give y'all some type of look that like coincides with the item, y'all, but I struggle with this one. I didn't know if how I wanted to go. If I wanted to throw on a blazer, if I wanted to throw on a car. I didn't know what I wanted to do, y'all. I just know that it had to be elevated, it had to match. So I figured, why not throw on my Hillman, okay, my Hillman college sweatshirts, because this item is giving she went to an HBCU and she's thriving, okay? That's what this item is giving. Y'all see the thumbnail, y'all know what it is. Y'all probably had a feeling that we were going to end up here, but here we are. So what had happened was, I was in my closet thinking about just thinking about all the Michael Kors bags that are just left untouched, unused, and I have one in my closet that is like oxblood, and I've mentioned it in another video that I recently posted about how I, you know, we're here again, like I will olive green and oxblood you to death in the fall, in the winter, okay? And there's this oxblood color bag, and I have a pair of similarly colored, they're more like maroon, maybe the color's more maroon, but it's like neither here nor there. So I was like, I need to figure out a way to bring these items back out and style these items again, because it's their season, it's their time. Somehow, okay, Instagram thought it would be a great idea to tell me, well, you know what, since you're back on this color again, there's this. What is it? The item that's in the thumbnail, okay? And so I immediately head on over to the Nordstrom Rack website. Not only did they have this color available, they also had a red one available. Y'all, I need Kurt. We probably need to take a break. We probably need some time apart, because no brand should have this much of a chokehold on somebody's bag collection, okay? So not only did they have this color, they had red. And I was like, if I add this red to my collection, my poor apple red pillow tabby 26 would have so much of a run for her money. And I was just like, no. However, this color, okay? Listen, this color, it was something about the way the texture looked in the picture. And I was just like, I want this. It's not even a want, it's a need. I need this. Let me add this one because the price is so right, and because the price, I didn't want to sleep, because I tell y'all about how I slept on the blue one, I slept on the camel, and there was one other color that I had slept on, and that color never came back, and they were all around this price, and I had to keep waiting, keep checking the site to see if it was going to come back in stock at that price. And I was just like, we're not playing that game this time. Add to cart, place order. And then I was like, you know what, I need to share the wealth. So I posted it in my community tab, and we all just had such a good time on this post. The next day, because this was a Saturday, the next day, Sunday, I went to Nordstrom Rack, right, to return some UGG slippers that just did not work out for me. Tell me why, on the way into Nordstrom Rack, they have not one but two of these bags on display. I feel like it was meant to be, because the picture did not do it justice. I feel like this item, as time progresses, as you wear it more, it's going to look even better, okay? It's going to look very rich, very luxurious. Like when I made my iced coffee, I was like, we can't do pumpkin spice for this one. It's fall, but we gotta do something rich. So I went dark chocolate syrup, okay? Dark chocolate. And my mocha fudge cold foam is gone. The ice has melted, but just think Dove chocolate, not Hershey's. Think Dove chocolate. Like if you've ever had Dove chocolate, you know Dove, like the little Dove hearts. Dove chocolate will get your life all the way together. Think Dove chocolate, okay? When you think of this item, think Dove chocolate. Think rich, think luxurious. Think, like I said, I went to a HBCU and I'm thriving, okay? I'm living my best life. That's what this gives me. If you are interested in seeing this luscious Nordstrom Rack find, stay tuned. Okay, so without me showing my address, here we are. We are prepared with our scissors. I'm trying to figure out why this box has glue on it. Neither here nor there. There's yeah, it's literally glued. So let's see here. Let's flip over. It's glued on both sides. Isn't that lovely? Y'all, let's just talk about, while I'm opening this box, let's just talk about how summer is fighting back. And I really don't appreciate it. And it's crazy because y'all remember that episode? I'm wearing a sweatshirt. Y'all remember that episode, the wedding episode of A Different World, where Dwayne came running in and he's just like telling Whitley all the things that he's wanted to say forever. He's like, please, baby, please take me back. I feel like that's what summer is giving us today, and we don't want you. It's not going to be the love story that you want, fam. We need you to go away all the way away. We need you to go all the way away. Let me get back on topic. Put the box out the way. Y'all know the drill because it's Kurt Geiger, okay? Plastic bag, cardboard sheets, tissue paper bag. Trying to keep this video from being extra long because I have one more to make today. And of course I would pick a hot day to want to batch create content. Let me turn this light down a little bit so you can get into, just look at that. Look at that. Oh, now the one that was on display, one of the ones that was on display looked like this. The other one, what I'll actually do is, because I was vlogging that day, I'll try to put the footage of me discovering the bag in this video. The older this gets, the more rich and luxurious it's going to look. This is the bag. Okay. Hot stamps. Okay. Now I have to reconfigure my shelf yet again because she needs to be in the forefront, darling. She needs to be in the forefront. Look at this, y'all. Look at this. If this don't scream fall, I don't know what to tell you. Oh, thumbnail. Thumbnail. I don't know what to tell y'all. With this rich brass hardware. Eagle head is brass as well, and it has the clear, the monochrome stones, and it feels just like it feels like textured patent leather. That's what it's giving. Textured patent leather. Oh, y'all. As always, the Kensington hot stamps. As always, we have our black interior. Child. We have our slip pockets and the story tag directly in front of the slip pocket. Oh my goodness. We have our dust bag. And the name of this color, see on the bag tag, the name of the color is wine. On the website, the name of the color is medium red. So there's that. But if Kurt says it's wine, it is wine, okay? We're going to unstuff her briefly because I just want, yes, yep, exactly as suspected. So just look at the richness of the crinkles. Look at the richness of the texture. Oh, my goodness. My goodness. And so where are the, I have to dig out the sneakers to see if this matches those sneakers. But what I should do is pull down, this bag just cut in line like something fierce. What I should do is pull down the Michael Kors bag because I should pull it down and let y'all see like the color comparison. And it's crazy because I think the last time I wore this sweatshirt, like I just found this today to make this video. I have not worn this in a long time. And so yeah, the last time I wore this, I carried the other bag. Now, this is going to be the one. Oh my goodness. She might have to get used tomorrow for service for church because we can't just let her sit and collect dust. Oh my goodness. This is not a how to style video. This is just me being hype, and I had to hurry up and make the video so I can use her, okay? She'll more than likely appear in another how to style video that I have planned. That video has about 22, 23 looks. I have to wait till it's like cold outside for me to make that video because trying on clothes is a whole workout. Oh my goodness. Let me pull down the Michael Kors bag, y'all. Please hold. All right, y'all. So I have officially pulled her down. So this is my Michael Kors Kellen satchel in the color Damson. I found her randomly one day in Marshall's. Price was amazing. Color was just everything. Perfect match for this pair of Adidas that I already had. I was just like, yes, let me grab her. And so here she is. Very much a throwback to my structured top handle feet work bag that I was trying to make work on the weekends collection phase. All of that. Okay, so it's justified because they're not the same color. This is more of the maroony oxblood, and then Kirk says this is wine. Nordstrom Rack says it's medium red. So it's not not too much. Are we even in frame? Nope. Nope, it makes sense. It makes sense. Two different colorways. Which one works better with this sweatshirt? This one. This one. So this one has gold hardware. The gold hardware. This one has the brass hardware. So there's no competition. We can coexist together. She didn't cut the line. She just said move over a little bit so I can have a seat too. Y'all, oh. All right. Thanks, Mike. You can go back over there now. Squishy puffy season. This is it for me. Squishy puffy season is here. I look forward to seeing what this looks like. I feel like it's going to look more and more rich, more and more crinkled, as long as the coating doesn't like crack and do any of that weird stuff like cracking and peeling and stuff like that. I look forward to this having more of an aged look. And then the stitching is the same color. It's monochromatic stitching. So actually, let me see here. Yeah, it's the same color. It's not. So I look forward to seeing what this will look like as it ages. Let me show you guys what it looks like next to just the regular leather Kensington. I have a couple that are looking at me right now. Let me see which one do I want to grab. Please hold. So since we are talking about bags that are dessert worthy, here we have this yummy caramel drizzle dollop of peanut butter moment here in our XXL in camel, Kensington and camel. And then we have the wine colored one. And as you can see the difference in the leather. So this is just your basic, what is it, lambskin? Your basic lambskin, soft, buttery, squishy, puffy. This is more textured. It's giving patent with a little pizzazz. So that's the difference. But, oh, let me see here. So this will definitely need accessories. Wait a minute. Okay, it's the same size. Yeah, so this one needs like a card holder, a card case or something. So I have to find matching accessories for her. We're gonna put her down for a second. I forgot to mention, y'all, speaking of classy moments, did we talk about this cover of Essence? Let me show y'all without showing my address. Can we get into this Essence cover? Yes, y'all. I just love Essence magazine. It's the melanin for me. And then I love how Oprah, this is the color purple cast, and I love how Oprah is still very much in the mix. I'm just here for it, y'all. Y'all, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. If you have enjoyed this video, let me know what you think in the comments below. Did you catch my community tab post? Did you grab this item? Did you grab it in another color, in the red color? Do you currently own this bag, this style bag, and any other colors? Let's discuss in the comments below. Again, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. Make sure you click that like button, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell so you can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. If you know another bag loving girly who would enjoy this video or who's into all things faith and fashion just as much as I am, don't be stingy. Don't be a gatekeeper. Share this video with her. Make sure she clicks that like button, she clicks the subscribe button, and she clicks that notification bell so she too can stay tuned for all things faith and fashion on my channel. Again, my name is Annitra with Different by Design, where faith and fashion connect, and you have a great week.